Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I'm going to draw for you a beautiful hot air balloon. Follow my every steps and try to learn how to draw a beautiful and colorful hot air balloon. I draw the hot air balloon. Now it's time to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Here I am using turquoise color and light blue color. Now I am using light green color. Here I am using the yellow color. Now I am using the light pink color. Let's use the baby pink color. This is called baby pink. Here I am using the light purple color. And this is another shade of light purple color. And here I am using light blue color, light brown color and deep brown color for this lower part. Wow, the hot air balloon is looking so cute and so beautiful. You should also draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then,